Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on filling out the Census 2020 online application form. So what you need to do is you need to first open your web browser. In this case, I'll be using Google Chrome. I type in the web address, which is www.sib.org.bz/census recruitment. Now, this is the web page that is attached to our website, which deals with information relating to census recruitment. Now, if we scroll down, we notice that there are important bits of information relating to recruitment, in that we're looking for over 900 persons. Gives you the training period, the period of employment, the available positions, which include field supervisors, enumerators, editor coders, administrative assistants, IT technicians, and drivers. And it provides you with some of the requirements, which would be the person must be 18 years of age or older, they have to have a minimum of a high school diploma, and they must be eligible to work in Belize. Now, bear in mind that the Statistical Institute of Belize is an equal opportunity employer. So once you meet those requirements, you are able to apply for any of the positions listed in this page. So to go to the application form, I just click on the Apply Now button, and that opens up this screen. Now, the initial screen or the landing page has two sections. It has a section for new applicants and a section for returning applicants. Now, the returning applicants section is for those persons that have already applied for other jobs at the SIB through the same portal. So if you have an existing record with us, you would go as a returning applicant. Now, I will select the new applicant option, and it will take me to this initial page in which I need to insert my personal information. Here I insert what I'll do is I'll insert information that is of a made-up character. So I just insert the last name, and if you notice that for those fields that have an red asterisk next to it, that implies that it is a required field, so this you must fill out. So I insert the name White Walter H. Now, for social security number, this is your personal identifier, so it is important for you to put in your own social security number. In this instance, I will insert a 9-digit number. I insert my street address. I select my district. I insert my phone number. I insert my email. I can insert my nationality and my date of birth. Now, for those of you that have been receiving that validation error, it is more than likely as a result of this section in which you have to insert your date of birth. Now, what I would advise you to do is for you to use the date picker. In this instance, you can insert the year, or you select the year. You select the month, and you select the day. Okay. Now you move on to the section, are you a retiree? I'll leave the default as no. In what district are you available or prefer to work? Here you can select any of the 6 districts. In this case, I will select Cayo. Have you ever worked for the SIB before? I leave it as no. For what position are you applying? I would select coder, or whatever position that you would like to apply for. How did I hear about this position? You can put Facebook. Now here is where you need to select the languages spoken. Here I can select English and Spanish. And if I speak another language, let's say Maya, I can insert it there. So let's be a bit more specific. Yucatec Maya. Once I've filled out the personal information section, I can click on Next. And here it asks you about prior work experience, in which you can insert up to 4 recent work experiences. And it also includes internships and volunteer work. So again, I will put in fictitious information, but for you, you would need to insert information that is actually valid. So here I can insert my employer information. Sorry about that. Just need to insert the telephone number again. Reference name. Can put the same. And here I insert the date of employment. Again, it's preferable that you use the date picker. So let's say that I just recently wrapped up working for them. So can select the year. So let's say I worked for them for 1 year. So yeah, position, let's say accountant, contract expired. Click on add. And for those of you that don't have any prior work experience, you can leave this section blank. I click on next. Education. Here I can list my educational attainment. So here I put in high school. Here completed. Let's just say that I completed it in 2010. I click on add. And I click on finish. And that is pretty much it. And that is all you need to do when it comes to applying online for any of our Census 2020 positions.